Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? It's your boy Gary here, aka the Plastic Boy. Hello to any returning subscribers, and hello if you are new here. My name's Gary. I upload Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. So today is a cute day for an upload, and today we're focusing more on that glowy skin. We're transitioning into fall. Well, we call it winter in the UK. So obviously our skin's getting a bit drier, it's a bit dehydrated. We want more of a glow. Also, we've transitioned into those warm tones in our eyes. So if you guys want to see what look I create and what new products I've got to show you, then keep on watching. Welcome back. I'm happy to announce that this video is in partnership with Makeup Revolution. Hey. So, you guys know, this is Makeup Revolution. When I did the review of those bronzers, you guys went crazy. You guys know I love those bronzers. I reviewed Tammy's collection. I've done Exit Revolution. I've just done so much Revolution. You know, I love Revolution. What? I can't even speak. What? I love Revolution just because it's so affordable. There's no gender. Their campaigns are inclusive. They're available everywhere. Like, they're available in Ulta, Superdrug, Revolution.com. They're just available everywhere, and everyone can access it. This is what I love. And when they come out with shades, they are inclusive. So we're going to speak about the Glow and Conceal foundation. Did I say that right? Conceal and Glow. So the foundation looks like this. I've got all shades. So I'm going to do swatches for you. Looks like that. We have setting sprays. We have illuminators. We have, is that all? Yeah, glow primers. We've got everything here. So I'm literally going to take you through the range. I've got a bare face, so I'm going to be talking through the foundation, my shades, and swatch everything for you. So let's get it. Okay, so let me just read you a bit about the Conceal and Define foundation. So, okay, it's got a radiant finish. It's ultimate glowy whilst being pumped with brightening vitamin C, and it comes in 20 shades. So it's got vitamin C, lotus flower extract, and light reflecting pearls that illuminates the skin for a snatched finish. That's a bit of me. You guys know I've kind of been loving that kind of glowy skin look, as you can tell. If you watched my Sip and Slay last Friday, you would have known that, you know, I look like a little, you know, moment. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch these for you. Okay, so the foundation retails for $9.99, $12 or $10.99 in euros. So let's just swatch them. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 7 shades, so I'm going to swatch them for you. So this is what the bottle looks like. As you can see, it looks very similar to the other foundations, but it's got like a black and gold top, and it's got that kind of gold packaging. Now I'm living for it, so it kind of like differentiates itself against the other one. So this is F11. Is it F11? Yeah, F11. So this has medium to dark skin tones with a peach undertone. Yeah, I can see that. That'll probably be a bit too light for me. So, but the next one is F12.5. So let's swatch that. So that's 12.5. So 12.5, medium to dark skin tones with a golden undertone. We kind of live. Then we have the next one, which is F13. Let's swatch that. Oh, that's really nice. It's golden. F13 is medium to dark skin tones with a golden undertones. That's really cute. Definitely still a bit light for me. So then we have 14.2. Oh, this seems really olive. For 14.2 is dark skin tones with an olive undertone. See, that's super olive. You can tell it's kind of like, yeah, olivey slash. We can see that. And then I'm literally so hot in my place. So we have F15. So F15 is dark skin tones with a red undertone. I think I'm normally about F15. I'm sure I am such F15. I think I'm definitely at F15 still. And then we go on to a 16.5, which is a dark with an olive undertone. Ooh, I don't really mind the olive undertone also. So let's try that. Ooh, hold on. F16.5 there. So F16.5 is dark skin tones with an olive undertone. Okay. And then we have F18. F18 is definitely gonna be too dark for me. And that's dark skin with a warm undertone. So that's F, yeah, that's a bit dark. So I could use that to contour. And then we have the darkest shade, which is very rich, deep skin tones with a warm undertone. So this is gonna be too dark, but I'm gonna swatch it for you just to see how dark they go. So That's how dark they go there. So that's their range of shades. I'm thinking number 15 just because it's kind of blended in, but I could also use that shade as well, but I'm definitely gonna do 15, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna prime the skin. I'm gonna use the Fix and Glow Ultra Glow Primer, which looks like this. I'm literally just gonna put some on. It feels really heavy, by the way. It's so like, it feels like glass, but it's actually, no, it is glass. It feels so heavy. How much is this? This is £8, $12, or €9.99. Fix and Glow for Ultra Glow Primer that preps and primes the skin for a lasting makeup whilst turning on the glow. Okay, so let's try this primer out. Oh, it smells nice. It smells really nice. It's got a particular smell, but I don't mind it. We're doing that. Ooh, you can proper see that glow. It's so nice. It feels, it's not silicone-y, but it has like a smooth, balmy finish. But okay, I'm not mad at that. Not mad. It's definitely like giving my skin a smoother appearance. Okay, so for the foundation, I'm definitely gonna go into F15. I've been loving doing this recently, guys. Imagine I put foundation on yesterday, and whatever I have at the back of my hand, yeah. Does anyone ever go through this? Like, you literally put it on, and then you'll put clothes on. You'll be like, I've got foundation in the back of my hand. Like, what the hell? But I'm literally just dabbing this in. So this is hold on, F15 with red undertones, but it doesn't seem that red. It seems very neutral, but I ain't mad at that. So I'm just putting that on. I'm blending it all around. Ooh, this has coverage. So imagine I haven't even color corrected, because I've been trying not to color correct as much, just because sometimes I don't set it and sometimes it can really interfere with my foundation. But this, the coverage, what? And what I like about it is it's glowy, but it's not, it doesn't look greasy. Which, does it have a smell? It just smells like foundation, which, what does foundation smell like? But the coverage though, bish. Ooh, I'll be loving that. And I think because I've got a tan as well, it kind of suits that, because you know when you have a tan, it normally goes red anyway. So I think that's why it's really, because I'm sure I'm normally a lighter shade in Revolution foundations, but I've still got a tan. Like, I'm so surprised my tan has lasted so long, but I ain't mad at that. Okay, so what I've been doing recently, I've been basically layering my foundation, putting a bit of highlight underneath, because sometimes I put highlight on top, or sometimes I put it underneath. So these are the Illuminate and Glow Illuminating Perfectors. So these are kind of like a kind of glowy skin base. Can you see? Is my camera gonna focus like this? I love them. They feel, everything in this collection feels super expensive and super luxe for the price. These are £10, $15, or $11.99. Why am I saying €11.99? €11.99. Yep. Child, you know what I mean. So these create a fresh, healthy glow to the skin with Revolution Illuminate and Glow Illuminating Skin Perfector. The rich liquid highlight can be used alone or mixed with foundation. It blurs and gives you ultimate holiday vibes here. So I've got different shades. I've got champagne, which I'll swatch for you. Okay, that's champagne there. Super reflective. Ooh. And then we have the shade gold. Let's swatch that. Ooh, gold is nice. Ooh, these are super, super reflective. I love when highlight, like, especially liquid highlighters are really reflective, just because I just feel like sometimes you get liquid ones that don't really live up to pigment expectations. And we have, this is the shade bronze. Ooh. I think I'm gonna go in with a bit of bronze just to kind of layer it over my foundation. I'm just gonna put a bit. Oh, these smell like the Revolution bronzers. They have the same smell. They smell exactly the same. I wonder, they must use the same kind of scent, because it smells like those sweets that were sticks and they look like chalk sticks and you used to be able to eat them. They smell like that. So I'm just gonna use that there. Ooh, and use a bit there. So you're just gonna take that same foundation brush and blend that out. I wanna give, ooh, oh wow, these blend in really, really easy, and it's so nice as well. Like, this is giving me, I didn't expect them to be so glowy. This is giving me major, major glow vibes. Like, Then I'm just gonna go back over that with foundation. I'm switching to a sponge just because recently I've been using sponges and brushes. How's everyone been anyway? You know what, guys? So you know how my vlog was a tiny bit longer this week? A lot of people are like, oh my god, please keep it this kind of length. But I'm like, do you guys like long vlogs? I actually prefer like watching long vlogs myself. But let me guys know in the comments down below, because I can always try and keep it that kind of length, because sometimes I'll be like, oh my gosh, should I do it 15 minutes? Or I do it 20 minutes? I just don't know. Some people have obviously different needs and they like watching different lengths of videos. So let me know. It's pretty interesting to see, you know. So let's look. She's definitely glowy, but what I like about this finish, as I said before, it's not greasy looking. It looks very luminous. It's what it's saying. My skin feels nourished. It looks healthy. And I feel like I don't need to like rush to like powder my skin straight away, you know. So I'm actually gonna go in with the XX Revolution Concealer in CX13. I love this so much. I actually did a full review on this, no? Yeah, I did actually do a full review and you guys loved it. So I'm just gonna put this here. What I love about this concealer, it's quite peachy. So and also golden, so it's really just gonna, you know, combat that circle moment. I'm just gonna put that there. Take my sponge again. And then just blend that out. This concealer is so good and so affordable, guys. That's what I just love about their products. Super affordable and super cute. And what I love, even when I do launches, they seem to be global launches, because I think once something launches over here, it kind of launches shortly after in the UK. I was gonna say the UK, the US in Ulta. So when I went to LA, it's so weird because a lot of my friends have collaborations with Revolution. So Makeup by Jack, Rachel Leary, Tammy Clark, Kami, is there someone else? Jake Jamie, and it's weird seeing everyone's collection in the US. It's like, wow, they really did that. Ooh. Wow, okay. Bish, I need to use this concealer more. Like, I use it, but okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the XX Revolution Concealer again. This is in a darker shade. This is in a shade 17.5, just to contour. So I'm just gonna take a brush and then just apply this on the cheekbone. This blends out so beautifully and effortlessly. And I like it because it's not too dark for me, because you guys know I used to go so ham with my concealer, and just especially the contour used to be so crazy. But I'm trying to like, I still like a sharp contour, but you know, sometimes you need to you can be at a 10, you need to bring it down to a 2, maybe not a 2. But I've been thinking about starting my Ask Gary segment. I think I might just do it maybe once a month, because I've already got so much on with Sip and Slay, uploading regularly, plus vlogs, and I feel like I don't want to burn myself out. So if you guys have any questions or anything, you want to ask me or anything juicy, I'll leave all the details below. Okay, so I've set my face, and obviously I need to contour, well, bronzer. So obviously I had to use my girl's Tammy X Evolution palette. This is so good. I've been reaching for this every single day. I loved Bronze Belle, and I loved Blush Baby Girl. I just love it. So I'm gonna use Bronze Belle. And what I know, guys, this is so pigmented, so you literally need to take the lightest hammer, because one day I just went, and literally when I say I look like I've been slapped, but light hand as well. But I just love this color because it's got kind of like warm undertone to it. She does too, so if you are a bit darker, I think there's a darker and lighter one, I can't remember, but there's definitely two different contour palettes, so she just doing that. Oof. I think because of the texture of the foundation, it's making that powder just blend so effortlessly. So guys, I haven't even set my face yet. You can see that Illuminate is kind of peeking through, because I've got a slight sheen there, which I'm not mad at. I love a bit of sheen in the cheeks, just because I feel like it makes it look super, like, you know, poppy and snatched. So I'm gonna go in with the Fix and Glow Dewy finish setting spray. It looks like that, and it's got particles in it, which should be interesting. I think, have I used something similar from them before? Maybe it wasn't, can't remember, but maybe I had, but it was a different Revolution product. But I can't wait to use this. So this is £8, $11 and $9.99. The illuminating and hydrating fixing spray will set your makeup in place and can be used to reset, refresh your look throughout the day, and that's on period. So I'm gonna take this off. What I normally like to do is just spray my setting spray. Like, ooh, it's got a nice, ooh, it smells, ooh, what is that smell? Let me just spray some. Ooh, it's nice. Very fine particles. Where's my mirror? Let me check it. Really, really nice. I always get worried when people say particles in a setting spray because, I'm not gonna tell you story, but I tried a setting spray once. There was so much glitter in it. I was like, what's going on here? So anyway, I'm gonna set the rest of the face. Ooh, this smells so good. It's not overpowering, but it smells so nice. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna fan that down. But ooh, I actually really like the setting spray. Really, really like it. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna do my eyes quickly. I'm literally gonna like throw something on, something neutral, like glam, obviously a bit glowy, you know, and I'll be right back. Cute on the eyes, a little soft glam moment to suit the glowy skin. So I'm also gonna take Tammy's palette, which I can't believe I used that palette to do this. These are so nice in the eyes, so I'm gonna use her blusher just so we can tie it in with the eye. Okay, so before we finish off the face with the lips, we have here these sticks. So these are called the glow sticks, and you guys know, if you watch my last Sip and Slay, you would know I love a glow stick. So these are £8. No, am I reading it right? No, these, yeah, £8, $12, and €9.99 or yeah. Glow on the go with Revolution's fast-based glow stick. This soft focus cream highlighter gives the skin a gorgeously glossy illuminated glow. So we have two shades. We have Rose, which I'll swatch here. That's Rose. And we also have Champagne, which I probably like Champagne because it seems more clear. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for Champagne because it seems a bit transparent. It reminds me of a stick I already own, which I think I love. So let's go. Okay, so people would get so scared of these sticks. I don't get scared of them because it's all about how you place it and what you use to place it with. So with these sticks, I wouldn't go on I wouldn't go straight on with a stick. I would normally wipe it on the back of my hands like that and coat it with product just so it really, you know. And plus on the back of your hand, it kind of warms up anyway, and then I kind of blend it in. And what I'll do, I'll take like a kind of a dual fiber brush, and then I'll kind of pat it on the cheek. And then I'll take a brush, a mirror, and then I'll kind of tap it like that, just so you get precise placement. I'm not tapping down too hard because if you like me and you like a lot of powder, sometimes these cream products can literally take away your powder, so just tap it gently, just to give your skin, ooh, that kind of nice 3D glow, which is so cute. I actually love this stick. Like, okay, so to finish with the look, I'm gonna use this lipstick by Revolution. It's called Latte. I was gonna do a gloss, but I think because the skin's quite glossy, I don't want to do a gloss. I'll see. So this is what it looks like here. This is the lipstick, and it's just so nice. That's gonna go like that. Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. What do you guys think? I think the foundation looks incredible. So I'm looking for my mirror. Like, the foundation is definitely like, period. So this is the Conceal and Glow, and I use the shade F15 if you guys want a shade reference, but there are so many shades. Setting spray is lovely. It's glowy, but it's not oily, which I love. The liquid highlighters are actually really banging. They're so sweet. When I say sweet, so nice. Actually, guys, the glow stick for me, you know I've spoken about glow sticks before, and I think this is a dupe for the Chanel one. No word of a lie. Like, it's so nice. Didn't take off my makeup. It laid on really perfectly over powders. Formula's really banging for that. What else was there? Was that all? Was that all? I think that was all, yeah. And the primer as well, the primer, really nice. Not too much, not too reflective. Again, just really sweet, guys. I love that. Everything will be linked down below, and obviously with shades and stuff, if you guys want to get anything or couple, just check it out anyway. So hope you guys have enjoyed this look. I shall see you in my next video. I hope you guys have a beautiful week. Bye.